बच्चों, so let us see this question. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Option A, ginkgo archigonia. Option B, salvinia prothallis. Option C, viroids RNA. Option D, mustard synergids. So let us solve the question by taking each option one by one. So let us start with option A, that is ginkgo. It is also known as ginkgo biloba. Belongs to the division of Ginkgo phyta. Let us take the first option, ginkgo, also known as ginkgo biloba, belongs to the division Ginkgo phyta, which is basically a gymnosperm. Here archigonia is the female reproductive organ and it is present in ferns and mosses, but it is also present in certain gymnosperms. Okay, so this archigonia, it produces the ovum or female gametes. So this archigonia is present in ginkgo. So ये ऑप्शन, ये जो मैच है ये करेक्ट है, इसलिए ये हमारा आंसर नहीं होगा. Then talking of the next option, let us talk about option C, that is viroids. So viroids are basically the smallest infection causing agent or we can say them as pathogens because ये infection cause कर रहे हैं. The genetic material present in these cells is only short, circular, single-stranded RNA. It is devoid of protein coat. And it causes infection in plants. So यहाँ पर जो वायरॉइड्स है वो आरएनए के साथ राइटली मैच्ड है, इसलिए ये भी हमारा आंसर नहीं होगा. Then let us talk about mustard. Mustard is basically angiosperm, right? So the angiosperm has synergids in them. Okay, so what are synergids? Synergids are a pair of specialized cells lying on either side of the ovum in the female gametophyte, specifically in angiosperms. It is haploid in nature and its main function is the guidance, is to give guidance to the pollen tube into the female गेमिटोफाइट. सो क्योंकि मस्टर्ड भी एक एंजियोस्पर्म्स है तो यहाँ पर डेफिनेटली सिनर्जिड प्रेजेंट होंगे, तो ये भी राइटली मैच्ड है, इसलिए ये भी हमारा आंसर नहीं होगा. टॉकिंग ऑफ द लास्ट ऑप्शन, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी. नाउ सेल्विनिया is a fern producing two different kinds of spores, and this is basically called as heterosporous. The fruiting body are produced in the structures called sporocarps. It is present in the structure called as sporocarps. These structures bear any one of the spore producing structure, that is the microsporangia or मेगास्पोरेंजिया. तो यहाँ पर या तो माइक्रोस्पोरेंजिया होगा जो छोटे स्पोर्स प्रोड्यूस करेगा, या फिर मेगास्पोरेंजिया होगा जो कि बड़े स्पोर्स प्रोड्यूस करेगा. तो साइज स्पोर्स का अलग अलग है, इसलिए यहाँ पर इसको क्या कहा गया है, हेट्रोस्पोरस कहा गया है. ओके, सो इन दिस प्लांट द स्पोर्स आर बोर्न ऑन स्पोरोकार्प्स. जो स्पोर्स हैं वो स्पोरोकार्प्स पे प्रोड्यूस होते हैं एंड नॉट ऑन द प्रोथैलस. तो ये जो मैच है ये रॉन्ग है, इसीलिए यही हमारा राइट आंसर है. So option B, Salvinia prothallis is wrongly matched. So I hope this question is clear to you. Best of luck, students.